Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in June 2019, I purchased myself a nice little designer bag. I considered it like my dream bag at the time. I purchased it and I did an unboxing with you guys on camera. Ever since then, you guys have been asking me so many questions about this bag. So I decided to give you guys like a bag update, how I've been feeling about this bag, and just answering all of the questions that you guys had, as well as providing you guys with some other updates. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 5K and I want you to join us. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to drop a comment after you watch this entire video with your thoughts, with your comments, with your questions, or anything that may be on your mind. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so back in June, I purchased my YSL Lou Lou bag in the medium size color olive, and I did an unboxing on camera. If you guys did not check out the video, go ahead and check it out. The link will be above. But basically in that video, I opened the bag, showed you guys what could fit in it, and also gave you some tips on how I afford and how I purchase my designer bags. So make sure you guys go ahead and check out that video before watching this one, because this video is going to be basically a continuation of that. So this is a bag that I purchased and I'm going to give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions on it. So ever since I got this bag, I feel like when I buy things in general, if you guys watch me unboxing, you guys watch my hauls, I'm like, if I'm spending $1,000 on something, I need to wear it 1,000 times. And I feel like I've overworn this bag for the amount that I paid, but I don't mind. I wear this bag so often. I wear it out. I wear it to Target. I wear it to my esthetician appointments. I just wear it everywhere just because it's such a convenient bag. And when I say it's a convenient bag, one, the color. So it's an olive color, which is to me a neutral color. It matches with so many different things. And the style of the bag, it can fit like casually, it can fit like dressy. So I wear this bag so much. Like if you've seen me in person, you probably saw me with this bag on. Also, it's convenient as far as the size. The size of this bag can fit almost anything that I need to bring outside of the house with me. So I actually wore this bag to Target today, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what I had in it. So of course I have my two phones in there, but they're out right now. I still got two phones, and also my wallet. I got a new wallet, so big update. I got myself this Yves Saint Laurent envelope wallet. So this is a wallet that I've been using, and this is always in my bag. I have my hand sanitizer because you guys all know what's going on in the world, and we need hand sanitizer to clean up the germs. I mean, you should be washing your hand with soap and water, but when I'm outside of the house and I touch anything, whether it's a surface, whether it's a shopping bag, whether it's a shopping cart, I sanitize my hands. So I have that in my bag as well. And then after I sanitize, I like to use my little Palmer's Heels, what is this called? My Palmer's, the little cocoa butter thing. I have this in my bag to moisturize my hands. And then I have my portable charger to charge my phone. I have a charger which stays in my bag, so I'll use this cord for my portable charger, or if I run into an outlet, I'll go ahead and plug up real quick to charge. I have my bottle of water, which is not 100% full. If you guys watch my video, what's in my bag, I'll go ahead and link it above, but I mentioned that I never carry a full bottle of water out the house. So I have my bottle of water here, and then I have some receipts, some paperwork, my headphones, my ghetto Apple headphones in case my AirPods die. I got a hookah piece. I got these things from when I had my lashes done. I don't know why I still have that in my bag, and that's about it. So realistically, on an everyday basis, that's what I have in my bag. And with me having these items in my bag, they all fit in here comfortably. But let me tell y'all something, okay? This bag comes out with me whenever I go out, and the reason why I love bringing it out is because, you know, as a female, you leave the house with heels on, but my rule is basically you take your shoes off where you put them on. So you put your shoes on in the house before you leave, or in the car, or whatever the case is. But I love to keep my heels on all night just because it just gives a look. And also, I've never been a huge heels girl, so I never really trained myself how to walk in heels. So I kind of feel like I'm doing that now in my life, kind of late, but whatever. But in case I do need flats for something, whether, you know, something comes up and I have to drive, I cannot drive with heels on. So this bag, I can fit my flats in here as well as my heels. And I discovered that when I went out for my friend's birthday, I had to change into my sandals, and I was able to fit my Alexander Wang heels in my bag.
Last night, I discovered that I can fit heels in this purse. So y'all know what bag I'm about to be carrying forever.
I posted on my stories, like, I discovered I can fit heels in this bag. Like, this bag is coming everywhere with me now. But I'm so in love with it. A lot of people ask, like, for a general update, how do I feel about the bag? But I 100% agree and approve of this purchase that I made, because it has been well worth my money. So for anyone who's interested in how I've been loving this bag, I've been loving it. That's an update on what I've been carrying in it, and something I discovered about it. You can fit heels in here. Like, what? So that's that on that. There were some other questions in my comments. Someone asked if I paid customs when I purchased this bag, custom fees. No, I did not. If you watched my first video, I mentioned where I got this bag from, but I did not have to pay custom fees for it. I didn't ask any questions, but the company that I purchased it from, I believe, is a Canadian-based company. So I'm not too sure what that means and how that works, but I did not have to pay any custom fees. I asked you guys for names about what I should name her in that video, and Yellow Berry, my girl Alex, mentioned that I should name her Eva, and I really, really love that name. So I did name her Eva. So it's a female, it's a she, and her name is Eva now. Thank you, Alex. A lot of you guys said that you guys love the bag, but in general, I've been receiving so many compliments on this bag because this is such a rare color for the bag. So I'm really, really happy that I picked it up, because one, I love it. That's what the most important thing is. And two, I've been receiving so many compliments on it because I've never seen this bag in person before I purchased it. Like, I've never seen it in any stores. I've never seen it in any YSL counters in like a Saks or a Neiman or wherever. I've never seen this bag in person before I purchased it. I also have never seen anybody with this bag, like another person on the street with this bag. So I just feel so special with this color in this bag. But overall, I love it. Someone asked me would I trade it for another color, and no, I would not. I actually wanted to get the black one with the silver hardware from Barney's when they were closing. When Barney's was closing, they had crazy sales. Like, this bag, same size, just black with the silver hardware, was $1,006 on their website. And if you guys watched my first video, I mentioned the retail price as well as how much I paid for this bag. But $1,006 for this size bag was such a great deal. But that was right before I went to Ghana, and I wasn't trying to drop a bag before I dropped a bag in Ghana. So I was like, let me go ahead and hold it down, and I feel like I'll come across that sale again. So that's everything on this bag. A lot of people ask me, like, what bag do you want next? What do you have your eye on right now? So I did purchase another designer bag recently. I'm gonna do a review on that on my channel soon. But I did purchase another designer bag. That is the bag that I just purchased is my next designer bag after this one. So between June and now, I did not purchase any designer bags. I did purchase one from when I was thrifted in LA, but that was my little Dior bag that I got for like $250. So I don't know if that really counts. But as far as retail price bags, the bag that I just purchased comes in next. So I'll have a review on that bag soon. As far as other bags that I've been looking into, I do want like one of those little Fendi bucket bags, and I've also had my eye on the Louis Vuitton Scott box. I'll go ahead and put pictures of both of them on the screen. But the Scott box is actually a jewelry box, but people just turned it into a fashion statement. So that bag is definitely on my birthday list as well. So we'll see if I get that by birthday, by end of summer. But I definitely want it as like a summer piece. So we'll see if the coins is hitting and clicking by then. But, you know, we just got to put in some work. But yeah, so those are the bags that I have my eyes on right now. I've also purchased a few more designer items throughout time on my channel. I'll go ahead and do like unboxings and reviews so you guys can see what I picked up, because my birthday is coming and I want it to be a very big thing despite everything that's going on in the world. I want to really enjoy my birthday. This birthday is very special to me, and I'll mention that during my Making It to 26 series. But that is basically all I have for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and answer the questions that you guys had on this bag. If there are any other questions you guys have about the bag that I didn't mention in this video, then go ahead and drop them down below and I will respond. I try to respond to each and every comment. I think I respond to everything, even though it may not be in a timely manner, but we be chitting and chatting down below, okay? So drop a comment down below if you guys have any other questions, any other thoughts, any other opinions. Comment down below. And before you guys head out, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and drop a comment. We are on the road to 5K and I'm really excited. Today is March 18th, 2020, and on March 19th, 2019, I reached 1,000 subscribers, and the fact that we're literally close to 5,000 is beyond me. I'm really thankful. I'm really blessed for all of the support that you guys have been providing me with. So go ahead and keep rocking with your girl. We're about to be doing big things out here, period, and I want you to join me. So make sure you guys share my videos, share my channel, tell your sister, tell your cousin, tell your mother, tell whoever. Pull up to Kensthetic's channel and check out her content, period. So that's all I have for now. I'll be back with you guys tomorrow. I have a weekly vlog, just things that I've been doing throughout the week that I've been documenting. So I just compiled that into a video and I'll be uploading that tomorrow. This is a new type of video, so I'm gonna see how you guys feel about it, and depending on how, you know, the girls are feeling, and it may become a thing. We don't know. But until tomorrow's video, I will see you all later.